Well, just wanted to give you a little quick update on the vegetables that I'm growing here. These are the Georgia Collards, and they're doing quite well. Look at how big they are. They look beautiful. We've been eating some already. And here are the onions. As you can see, they're also doing very well. And look, we got some figs right there. And some more here. Here I planted some potatoes. They still haven't come through, but they will soon. Here are the tomatoes. Here we have the radishes and beets. Here we have some sweet potato, which these grow really well. You just put them down and they take off. And sweet potatoes, you can even eat the leaves. They can use them for salads if you want to. It's a good survival crop as well. The pigeon peas, they just keep flowering and throwing more pods. They've already made several meals and they just keep coming. So it's very productive. They grew more than I thought they would though, and very fast. It's a very healthy tree, hasn't really been hit by any kind of pest or anything, so has a lot of benefits. You can get them, let them dry and cook them, or you can take them green and use for salads and things like that. Here we have more sweet potatoes. They grow very well in these Vago garden beds. By the way, I have a link. Your total purchase with savings and everything, whatever you get at Vago, if you use my link, you get a 5% off on top of that. So you can look for it on the links below. But they're very, very well made, very sturdy, and they're great. The tall ones are great. You don't have to be bending over. You can just do them right there. But the other ones are also quite good. There's the sweet potatoes, see? They're even going up the little trellis I made here. And then on the side here we have the muscadine grape that's also doing quite well. And something else besides the vegetables, if you look at the mango trees, they're flowering. Look at that. Huh? December and they're flowering. That one's flowering too. Here I planted some longevity spinach, because I redid the little area here, and you can tell that it's taken off already. You can just put it in the ground as a cutting and it'll take off. Just wanted to give you a little quick update on a few of the things I had planted, show you how they're doing. Happy holidays.
It's your